Oh boy, if you ever wondered why Angelina Jordan seems to be like she's such like the perfect person, right? She's generous, kind, loving, you name it. And if you ever wondered why, look how she is as a little kid. She's got this bird here, and I don't know how old she is. I'm gonna guess she's I don't know. There's a video where they're singing at 1.5. I think she's a little older than that, but not a lot. And the way she is with this bird, the lady on Norway's Got Talent that was a judge said to Angelina, "You are music." And I think, to me, this shows Angelina is love. Watch this.
Hello. What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? Ow. You're stem. What do you eat? What do you eat? What do you do? Sit in my... Where do you sit? Then do you do...
Just when you think you've seen it all, Angelina Jordan, little bitty baby, just about, and the bird pecks her, like bites or pecks or whatever. And what does she do? Does she get mad, angry, scared? None of the above. She starts to pet the little bird on the head and then gives it a kiss. And at that age, that's who she is. Sorry. Unbelievable.